right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need.
Hi friends, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Abby. In today's video we're going to be making something very quick and easy. It's called Ojojo. That's yam ball fritters. It's made from water yam. So all you need is water yam, your rodo, that's Scotch bonnet, onions, salt to taste, and your oil for frying. So the first thing you want to do is grate your yam into a bowl, then add your pepper, add as much as you can tolerate, and add onions as well if you like onions. Add salt and taste it. If it's okay, if it's not, you adjust. So mix it well properly, as you can see me do. The next thing is to pour your oil in a frying pan. So after pouring it, allow it to get hot for a little while, and I just put a little bit inside to test the oil to be sure that the oil is hot enough to fry the yam. Anyways, so as you can see, I'm already putting the yam paste, I call it yam paste, into my oil carefully with a spoon, and I'll leave it for about 5 minutes on each side to fry properly. I like mine really brown. Towards the end you will see what I'm talking about. So I let mine to fry and turn golden brown before taking it out of the oil. So yeah, the video is that simple. I know some people don't know this meal. I personally really don't like it. This particular day I made it for my mom. She loves it a lot. She loves it, and people eat it with echo as well. That's I don't know if it's called agidi. I'm not sure, but anyways, yeah, so that's the end of this video. The list of ingredients need to be in the description box as usual, so you guys should check it out. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. All my information needs to be in the description below. Also share this video, subscribe, like this video as well, and leave your comments down below. I'll see you in another one. Bye.
You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. 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 Be one of the things I love. 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 Be one of the things I love.
Eres la oficial, baby, no de remix, yeah. Todas tus amigas, ese y mis migas. Todos necesitamos algún día ese feeling, yeah. Ay, sonríe tú, pero el feliz soy yo. Vete pa' que me bautices. Entre la luna y el sol, pegado siento calor, yeah, yeah. Como una historia pa' que me deslice. Y el deslizado soy yo, como haciendo el amor, yeah, yeah. Es que estoy puesto pa' ti.